Albinism is a genetic condition characterized by a lack of melanin, the pigment that gives color to the skin, hair, and eyes. This results in individuals with very pale skin, white or light-colored hair, and light-colored eyes. Albinism is caused by mutations in genes responsible for melanin production, and it can affect people of all ethnic backgrounds. The lack of melanin also impacts the eyes, often leading to vision problems such as sensitivity to light, reduced visual acuity, and involuntary eye movements. Albinism can also increase the risk of skin damage and skin cancer due to higher sensitivity to ultraviolet radiation. Although there is no cure for albinism, individuals with the condition can manage their symptoms by protecting their skin from the sun with sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, and using visual aids to improve eyesight. With proper care and support, people with albinism can lead healthy and fulfilling lives.